Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the trade menu in Fish It game of Roblox new trading update. Okay, in this update guys, you will see trade menu right here, and you can trade your fish or your skin rod with another player. And you can choose the player that you want to trade, and I'm going to choose this player. Okay, now the trade has sent, and then you can over something to the player. Okay, here you can trade fish, rod skins, boats, charms, and so on. And I'm going to trade one of my fish. I'm just going to pick a random fish here. I'm going to choose my candy butterfly. Okay, and she offered me this cow clownfish, and I'm going to accept it. Okay, and both of the player are ready, and click on confirm. You can also set token, but I don't have token guys, so I'm just going to leave with no token. Okay, done, and now the trade is completed. And actually you can also give another player with this trade menu, but you can also trade without token right here. But if you want to set token, you can set it as well, but I don't have token. Okay guys, and that's how you can trade with another player in Fish It game of Roblox new trading update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.